Okay, this fight is between Subhas Lal Gole, between Sohan Thapa. This boy seems to be more experienced than before, the fighters before. Oh, the fighters before. Oh, that was a good cross from Sohan Thapa, I guess. They're into more cleans now, grabbing each other. And, ooh, that was a good throw. That was a good throw from Subhas Lal Gole. It seems more aggressive. Good try for a good kick. Oh, Sohan is getting out. Good kick from Subhas Lal Gole. I already told you, height doesn't matter, but if you have, you can use it at an advantage. Here you can see Subhas is a bit 5 inches down from Sohan. Sohan is 5 inches taller than Subhas, but Subhas Lal Gole is going aggressive against Sohan Thapa. A very good try. I can say that 10 seconds remaining for this round. And that's Dil, a bit experienced fighter. I've seen him fighting since a lot of time, since years ago, and he had a break in between. Dear viewers, we are back again to fight between Subhas Lal Gole and Sohan Thapa. Guys are trying their best to have. And get some elbows during the clinch. Wow, that was a good low kick, but he got down himself. I don't know how. That was a good kick from Sohan as well. Oh, that was a good drop down, but not intentional one. There's the main referee, Mr. Dil Kumar Thokar. Good punch from Sohan. Good punch from Sohan. He's also playing a lower guard, trying for a fancy spinning kick. I already expressed my view. I do not prefer this kind of kicks in between first round and second round. We are a very decorated fighter. Oh, good drop down from Subhas Lal Gole. Seems to be very strong. His physics is also nice, even though he has got less height. The weight category is 58 kg. Subhas Lal, he's got good physics as well. I can see his abs and all. He's got good physics as well. I can see his abs and all. Oh, he's trying for elbow, I guess. The vertical elbow. I can hear that elbow, Chirana elbow. Sohan Thapa seems to be tired, even though he's struggling. Oh, that was not nice. These things happen during amateurs and semi-professional fights. We'll have to wait until for the final round. Thanks to all the sponsors. I can see the logo of Extreme Energy Drink as an energy partner over here. Energy partner over here. Okay, boys are doing great. Subhas always on the low kick and all. Sohan is losing some control. He needs to focus on his footwork and control. Oh, that was good from both the fighters there. I couldn't see it from the good angle, but I could see some punches and kicks at a time from both the fighters. We still got 1 minute for the final round. Oh, that was an easy drop down for Sohan. It shouldn't have happened. I think he's tired now. He should have taken advantage of its height, but it's not happening right here inside the ring. Oh, the fans of Sohan shouting Sohan Dai, this and that. Oh, Shivas got the punch. Oh, Shivas got the punch. Not the powerful ones. Grabbing and getting some knees. Both of them drop down. People say it's just 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but only fighters know it's really hard to fight 3 minutes inside the ring. It's not just 3 minutes. Fighters have to train 3 months or around 8 to 10 weeks minimum to get ready for a fight, and more than that for professional fighters. It's not an easy thing fighting Muay Thai. Oh, that was a good try. Both of them. And here we come to the end of the round.
Make a guess now. Who is the winner? And the winner is from the blue corner.